If you've lost access to your Showcast account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. Here is a straightforward guide to help you regain access. Step 1. Visit the Showcast login page. Go to the official Showcast website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from Showcast. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Open the email and follow the provided link to reset your password. You may be asked to answer security questions or verify your identity through other means. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you've verified your identity, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and memorable, then save the changes. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Showcast account without needing a phone number. Good luck!